Is your Epson printer showing that annoying ink pad full error, with the red light blinking and refusing to print? Don't worry, today I'll show you how to fix it in just a few minutes, without replacing the ink pad. This problem happens when your printer's waste ink pad counter is full. Replacing the ink pad can be expensive, and sometimes it's hard to find. But today we'll fix it without replacing the pad, thanks to Inkchip. Inkchip is a website where you can find amazing solutions for your printer problems. Step 1. Download the WIC Reset Utility. Go to Google, search Inkchip, click the first link. Click on WIC and choose your language to download the software for free. Step 2. Buy the activation key. To reset the ink pad counter, you'll need an activation key. On the website, choose your package, click Buy, and enter the coupon code Multifix10 to get 10% off. After checkout, you'll receive your code in your email. Step 3. Install the WIC Reset Utility. Install the software on your computer. You'll see it available in multiple languages. Just double-click your preferred language to open it. Then click on Waste Ink Counters. Step 4. Make sure your printer is detected. If your printer isn't showing up, don't panic. First, check if the printer driver is installed. Also, make sure the printer is turned on and the USB cable is connected properly. If you need the driver, I've put the link in the description below. Step 5. Reset the waste ink counter. Select your printer, click Read Waste Ink Counter, then click Reset Waste Ink Counter and paste the activation code you received in your email. Congratulations! Your printer is now ready to print again. Just turn it off, then back on, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. And remember, use coupon code Multifix10 to get 10% off when you buy your activation key from Inkchip.